Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making baby food using organic broccoli and chicken. I'm going to cut the florets off the broccoli here. And I'm going to keep the bottoms here and use them for a broccoli soup. I'm going to cut these down roughly the same size. This way everything cooks nice and even. You don't have to go too crazy with the size. Everything's going to be pureed. Broccoli has a lot of nutritional value. It has vitamins A, C, K, and B6, as well as iron and zinc. So we'll add the florets to the steamer pot here. And steaming the broccoli is going to help lock in all those nutrients. So bring in some organic chicken. We'll add some protein here. Cut those about 1-inch cubes. And we'll add that with the broccoli to the steamer pot. Cook this for about 10 minutes until our chicken is cooked through. Chicken is cooked, broccoli is tender, ready to puree this. Add it to the blender, and I'm going to add olive oil to this as well. Olive oil is a healthy fat, and it's essential for your baby's brain development. It's also good to mix up the flavors so they don't have the formula, breast milk, or filtered water for every puree. Add that to a container, keep this in the fridge 3 to 5 days, or the freezer for up to 3 months. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.